Ready to get everything hooked up. Give it a shot. It's open. That's open. It's a 2-ton unit. It's kind of my setup. It's pulling down a lot quicker than what I had thought it would. That's a full battery, by the way. This is a good old Coleman unit. $860, $850. I mean, I think it's pulling down pretty quick. To be just a little 2 CFM, I would dare say it's probably a single stage. I'm not sure. Probably so. I'm 2 minutes and 48 seconds into the video. Sucker's quiet. It might take it a few more minutes to get it where I want it, but looks like it's doing pretty good. I'll give it just a little bit and we'll come back to it. Little update, we're at 400. It's been a few minutes, so it's putting up a fight. I'll give it a little while longer. It's probably not anything I would recommend on a big system. Maybe some small refrigeration units or something like that would be ideal. But this is just a small 2-ton system. But we're down to 400 microns. I don't know, we'd probably be here all day trying to get any lower than that. But as far as a refrigeration vacuum, I'd say it'd probably be okay. Alright, so we finished up the job putting in the little Coleman unit with that Hercules pump from Harbor Freight. Before I broke the charge, I got it down to 420 microns. I didn't have to wait a long time to get there. I mean, it got there relatively quick. I would say probably about 25-30 minutes of pulling a vacuum with it. And it is a 2-stage pump. the 420 microns is not that bad, considering the manufacturer only calls for 500 microns or lower. So we were below 500 microns and it was holding. So I'm fairly comfortable with what the little pump was able to do. I don't think I would use it on a big job. This was a 2-ton unit, so it wasn't super huge. The line set was relatively short, but it was a pretty good little deal for what you pay for it. I think it was $140, and I already had the batteries. I'd purchased the batteries a few months ago. They were running a deal where you buy 2 batteries and you get a tool for free. And so I bought the 2 5-amp-hour. Of course, it was the 5-amp-hour batteries you had to buy. So I bought 2 of those. I think they were like $100. And then I was able to get a tool for free. So I went ahead and got a portable bandsaw. And I had to buy the charger. I forget what the charger was. I want to say it was like $50. So I got $150 in the batteries, the charger, the portable bandsaw, and then another $140 if you add the vacuum pump. So overall, I think it's a pretty good deal. You know, if you're doing this job every day, you're going to want something a little bit more durable. I don't know how long this thing's going to last. It's got a 5-year warranty, and from what I hear, Harbor Freight stands behind their tools. So we'll see. I'm going to do it on several more jobs and see how it does. So anyway, that's it for this video, guys. See ya.